Technical principle. Nano-alv chips generated electronic fluid. Scale is calcium and magnesium salts to bond crystals. This is V inside of nano-alv chip. Water releases electrons throughout nano chips. Make the anions and cations in fluid polarization less likely to combine to form scale. At the same time, it can gradually dissolve and fall off the hardened scale, so as to achieve the functions of scale prevention and descaling. After 1 to 3 months, the wall effect will occur between the polarized dipole and the bare metal surface. Make the pipe wall metal appear to deposit a certain thickness of scale-forming ion couplers. Separate the pipe wall metal from the fluid system to a certain extent. It plays the role of pipe wall anti-corrosion. Like us and follow us now.